My husband always says that, God, he says like the most grandpa-ish quote, which is like, you're gonna make me go broke by all the money you're saving me, which just sounds like something a grandpa would say, like a sweet old grandpa. But it's actually true because, I mean, homegirl's gonna find a deal at TJ Maxx. Like, you put me in the dollar section at Target, I'm spending $100. I've got crap that will break in 3.5 minutes, we'll never use it. Oh, but I mean, you can't resist a BOGO, right? Like, it's so good. It's so good. I just did the influencer thing. I hate myself. I can hear it. Okay. But it is so good. Love a Target, love a TJ Maxx, love a pit stop by Starbucks, doing the full basic bitch thing where I get my Starbucks and then stroll through Target buying things that I don't need and then I will throw away. But it's a good time. So time well spent if you're enjoying it, right?